friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix split fiction gamepad or controller not working issue. So the first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon. After that, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, log into the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update your controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the search option. Now search for device manager. From here, you have to expand human interface devices. Select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, launch the game and check if controller is working or not. Next is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys as this is one of the best trick to resolve such kind of unexpected issue. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, you have to select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input, and after that launch the game and check if controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check if controller or gamepad is working or not. But if the issue continues, come back again, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, select your game. Under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. After that, launch the game and check if controller is working or not. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option. Now search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update. After that, click on check for update. So this will check and update your Windows to the latest version. And after that, launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. Some other troubleshooting tips to follow: clear cache on Steam. So go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache, confirm it. After log into Steam and again launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If you are using wired plug for a controller, then unplug and replug it once and then check. Use big picture mode for split fiction. So go to Steam, select your game. Here in the above section you can see enter big picture mode, click on it, enter big picture mode, and after that try to play the game and again exit big picture mode and finally check if the gamepad or controller is working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.